Hi, Peter. What will we be doing today?
Well, 6 or 7 years ago, we built these wooden raised beds.
Okay.
And as wood wants to do, it rotted.
Rots.
So the advantage of the wood bed was that it was much less expensive, but we're going to go for a more permanent solution this time.
Okay.
So we're going to do concrete block. Also, while we're doing that, we're going to make the bed a little bit bigger.
Okay.
So the boards that are in it now are 8 feet long, and so the actual bed itself is 2 times the width of the board narrower.
Gotcha.
And so we're going to expand it out so the bed is actually 4 feet by 8 feet, since the concrete block gives us a little bit of wiggle room there. Okay. So let's go ahead and start taking it apart.
All right, let's take it apart. You got it.
Yep. It's a good idea to water the bed before you do that, because that'll help the dirt all stick, and you'll see that it maintains the wall, and we're just going to build the wall around what's already there. So now that we've got the wood out, you can see the soil we have here, and the way that this bed was built is to help with drainage. There's a lot of gravel here, which we're going to end up reusing. So these are the blocks we're going to use, but as you notice, they're a lot wider than the trench from the wood.
Right.
So we need to widen this out a little bit. We're going to lay out the corners, and then we're going to just dig a wider trench.
Okay.
We're going to reuse the gravel base just for drainage.
Okay.
If you're doing concrete block and you don't want this to be super permanent, you can skip the gravel layer, but you do need a flat surface to work on.
Gotcha.
Now we're going to stretch a string around the 4 posts that we put in. And the reason for this is that we can level the string, and then we know that we're level underneath. I have a string level. You hang it on the middle of the string, and then you can adjust the string up and down and see if it's level.
Pretty neat.
Okay, now I'm showing that your end is high. You don't have to have a string level to do this. Tap it again. You could just do it with a regular straight level. One more time. One more tiny tap. Okay, there we are.
Good.
So now that tells us that this string from nail to nail is level. So now we're going to go ahead and do that on
Back to that.
on all the other ones as well. Stop. There we go. That's good. Okay, so now that our string is level, we're going to start putting down our blocks. And this is the longest and most frustrating part of this whole thing because this first level has to be flat or level. Once the first layer is level, then you can just throw blocks on top of it and they're already level. Mm-hmm. So that's good. So what we're going to do is, here's our first one.
Okay.
And just looking at the string has a lot more space down there between the rocks and the string than it does right here. So that just means that we're going to have to dig this out. And we're going to try and put our first level at the same, so that the top of this block is at the top, is at the string.
Gotcha.
So we still need to go down a little bit. And we may have to dig out here and put some gravel back in. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, we're getting close. About 1/8 of an inch high. Now, we're using these concrete blocks. You can use cinder block, you can use any other brick, anything like that. Just the same idea. You just have to get that first level straight. And okay, so our block is level, or close enough.
Close.
And we're at the top of the string here. So this first block we're going to say is laid at this point. So now we move on to the second one.
Wow.
And I can see obviously it's tall or it's high, so dig some out in the second block. Okay, well, I'm gonna need some more over here to level it, and the whole thing is high, mainly it right here. Oh, try it again. Okay, so that one looks good. Let's see how we're doing here. It is just a little bit higher than this block here. It's a little rocking, so let's tap it down in a little more. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Now onto the third block. We put down the gravel bed mainly because it was already there from the previous one. You know, if you just have level ground and you don't want this to last a long time, you know, you're willing to come out and fuss with re-leveling the blocks every couple years because it might have settled or something like that. You can just do this on bare dirt, but you do need to make it level.
Gotcha.
And you don't want to have the block touch the string because then it'll push the string one direction or another. Also, if you're going any taller than probably about 1 foot to 1.5 feet, you're going to want to put it on a gravel base, because at that point, you know, if you were out there working in your garden and the wall fell over, it could hurt you pretty bad.
Gotcha.
Okay, so we've done most of this edge. We're getting close to the corner here. So let's put this block in. This will be the last block facing this direction, and check to see if it's level here. Okay, we're pretty good, but it seems like we're a little low in the front. So what you can do is you can just lift up the corner of the block and kind of just pound some gravel under it so you don't have to actually take it all the way out. And okay, so for the corner here, what we're going to do is we're going to start, because I don't have enough space here for another full block, I'll just turn it and start the next wall right here. We'll just continue to level here and, whoops, sorry about that. And keep going. Okay, so now let's check it.
See how good you are.
That's good.
All right.
At the corners, if you're, you can kind of go like this and get an idea several blocks long. So, the first row is done. That's the hardest part. Because once this is all level, now all we have to do is just stack the blocks up.
Stack.
This is easy. So now all we do is we're just going to take it, put the block on top, offset it by half, and just go around. And we just have to go around 2 more times. We'll be at 12 inches. So if you want to grab some and with stacking the blocks, you got to look, because the different blocks that you use will have a recommended maximum stacking height. In this case, they give 12 inches, so that's 3 tall. That's what we're doing, because that's how tall the beds are anyway. Others, you can go higher. If you want to go higher than that, you have to start getting into engineering it. Most places, if you go higher than 3 feet, you actually need to have a permit and have it inspected. Wow. Because there's a lot of pressure back there. You know, if you have a lot of wet soil, you got thousands of pounds of pressure pushing against that wall. You have to be careful. Here we have a problem that you might run into. There's a hole that needs to be filled, but it's too big for a block the normal way. So there's a couple ways you can fix this. So you could either put a block in sideways like this, which works. You might not like the fact that it's not broken like this face is. Or if you want to, you could go ahead and take the rest of the blocks in this, on this side, and put a little bit of a gap between them, kind of like that. What you're going to do is pretty much up to you and what you want to see. I'm going to go ahead and put it in sideways. If this were a longer side, I might space them out, but since there's only 5 blocks here, it's going to be big gaps that you're going to have dirt leaking out through. So you got the last couple. I'll let you do the honors.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yep. There we go. Now we got a little bit of gap, so just scoot the last couple blocks and kind of divide that gap between a couple of blocks. Yeah. Okay, good. We're done with the structure.
Yeah.
We have to clean up our dirt here that's around on the grass, which, because we have that trench for the rocks, we can just go ahead and rake it into that.
Okay.
That makes that easy. And then we're going to have to fill the bed because we have some extra space. So we'll take some compost and we'll bring it in and fill it in. Well, the soil's going to settle.
Yeah, it will definitely settle.
So we'll have to come back and put some more in to fill it back up again.
Okay. Looks good, man.
Yeah, we'll have to have Joe Ellen come in and plant the extra space here. And this is just, you know, this is block right now. The way that the prices are, this is cheaper than wood. When we built the wood originally, the wood was cheaper. That's why we did it. So you just kind of have to shop around, see what there is.
Okay.
Decide how you want to build it.
All right. Well, it definitely looks good. No doubt about that. So thank you much.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. To find out more information on this topic, just click on the familyplotgarden.com link in the description.